Assalamualaikum everyone. It's 9 Ramadan and still I haven't uploaded any video to my channel. It's very bad. So today I'm back after almost 1 month, and especially I'm uploading this video for Ramadan because there's no video in Ramadan. It's very bad. That's why I'm gonna upload this video for Ramadan special, and today I'll complete a project about Ramadan timer until Eid. One kind of this project. So enjoy the project. If you like, then start the video. Then firstly, Visual Studio Code. I'm watching this interface after a long time, almost like 1 month. I told you I haven't wrote or made any project till now. So after a long time, I'm gonna use this tool. So first, HTML. So a basic structure. Then Ramadan Mubarak. So now just link it to CSS and also link it to script.js. Somehow I made a mistake, so now I think it should fix it up. Yeah, that's the file. So now firstly we'll have to assign a container inside it, h1, which is Ramadan Mubarak, and a p paragraph, and inside this paragraph text we'll write that Ramadan, the time until Eid. So it's, and inside this div we'll assign a more div that is countdown span, then days. Now the IDs will be days, and one more, it's almost hours and months. No, why months? We'll write minutes and seconds. Inside is days left, hours left, and then minutes left, and then seconds left. I think it's almost done. Yeah, it's almost done. Now come back to style.css, then sign body, margin should be from 10 pixel, and height should be 100 VH, and font family should be Arial. Yeah, Arial. Then display is gonna be flags. Justify contents, page viewing, line item should be center. Yeah, then I'm gonna style what I left, the container. So now container text line center, and that's it. h1, which is gonna be h1 style. First let's quick view. So to centerize this, change this to center. So I think it should hit to center. Yeah, and now a background color, which is this is the background color I copied before, and let's see. Yeah, now it feels good. Then right here and h1. Yeah, the styles of h1 should be, and it should be font size 3 rem, and then the last one, which is all about countdown. Let's type it. It should be an ID. I'll have to make it ID. So now here, mm, margin top 20 pixel, font size 2 rem, background. This is the background. Padding should be 20 pixel, and at last, the border radius. So now, hopefully our HTML and CSS is done, I think. Now we'll use JavaScript to make it fully functional. So for that, first of all, we'll have to assign some variables for the const, and it's gonna be id date equals to so now here's the id date is gonna be March 1926. So now it's showing wrong, that's why new date, and inside it March 1926, and just here get time. I gain one const which is timer, and I think and here it should be set interval, and sided function which should looks like this, and inside it one more const which is now new date dot get time const which is distance, and it's gonna be id date subtraction now, and we'll get the exact days before. So now here we'll write const days equals to math dot floor, and here distance division (24). It's done, and const
مبارك زوجها جاءت على درر زوجنا.
Now we'll have to write a condition which is before that document dot get element by id. The id is days dot inner text equals to this is days and seconds, and now we'll have to assign a condition which is if distance is lower than 0. So what will happen here, the interval should be clear interval which is named timer, and after it document dot get element by id, which is normally countdown, and inside countdown let's try without this inverted commas because I have the confusion that should I use inverted commas or not. Inner text equals to uh, Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. And after it, inside this one, use this. So it's the last task or the last output we got, and I think you are not understanding which is hours, minutes, and days, but I'll update it, I think. But for now, keep it off, and I'm gonna go. Bye bye, Allah Hafiz.